Hello friends, today we will see how to create lookalike audience on Facebook. Before creating lookalike audience, let me explain you what are exactly lookalike audience. So basically in Facebook, there is an option called to create a audience. So in that, what happens, like for example, you have a certain type of audience. Let's say you have created an audience which is interested in kind of shopping, online shopping, and then you have run a campaign for like 5 day or 7 days, and certain amount of the people has already visited to your website now, and you think that these type of people can be converted and can purchase my product or service from my website. So in but the audience size of that or that audience which you have created is very limited. So by the help of Facebook lookalike audience, what you can do is like you can increase the audience size of that audience which you have created. So basically Facebook will, by their algorithm and by their own method, they will pick up and show your ad to the similar type of the audience who might be interested in your product or services. So hope you understood what exactly lookalike audience known. So let me show you how to create lookalike audience in the Facebook ad manager, and after showing you I will tell you some trick and why it is important to create a lookalike audience so that you can optimize your Facebook ad and can generate a good amount of customer or a traffic or conversion from your website. So let's directly dive into our Facebook ad manager. So this is my ad account. So from here what you have to do, like you have to tap on the business tool, and there you will get the option called audience. Tap on the audience. So what you have to do is like you have to tap on this create audience. Now select the lookalike audience. Now you have to, what you have to do is like you have to create a new source, and then you have to select custom audience, and there you will get a few source like website to the people who has visited to your website, the customer list, the offline mail ID which you have, the app activity and the offline activity, and then you can even make the audience who has engaged with the videos, lead form, your Instagram account, event page and kind of thing. So in our case what I will be doing, I will be selecting on the website, and now I will be selecting my pixel. Already my pixel has been selected. In the retention, what I will do, I will increase the number of the days to 180 days. What does it means? Like people who has visited to my website for in past 180 days. So Facebook will create the lookalike audience accordingly, and this size gradually increases. So what does that mean? Like for example, people who has visited to my website in last 180 days. So in starting it would be showing you it take 2 days to populate the exact number by the Facebook, and then gradually Facebook collects more data and increase your audience size. Like for example, like in third day it might be showing you 2000 people or maybe 3000 people, but after 7 days, 8 days or 10 days it will increase the size of the audience, because Facebook will continuously working and collecting more similar type of the audience. So now it traffic hyphen looka like. Now if you want to give description, it's your choice. I will leave it and create the audience. So as you can see right now it is showing pending, and you would not be able to use right away. You would be able to use this audience after 2 to 3 days once the audience size is decided or been created by the Facebook, then only you can select this audience. If you will go to the create new campaign in the audience section, you will not find this audience over there. So you have to wait for 2 to 3 days, and then you can see you can use that this audience, and then you can use this audience. And if you want to create a tutorial on Facebook ad and what type of ad strategy I do use for my clients and for my agency, you can just comment down below, and I would be creating a tutorial on that also with my secret strategy, so that you can also increase the conversion of your store and your business. So hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. I know Facebook ad is a huge thing. You can just comment anything on the Facebook or on the Google. If you want to learn, or if you want a new video, you can just comment the topic name. I would be creating tutorial on that. So hope you enjoyed this small videos. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel. More tutorial videos are coming. Thank you.